Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Skyscanner flight. Okay, so first up, you would need to find the airline or travel partner which you have booked a flight with. Okay, because as you can see, Skyscanner right here is only a travel search engine. Okay, that helps you find the best travel options. Now, if you can't remember who you booked with, you can just go ahead and check your email for a booking confirmation. It should have been sent when you made your booking. Okay, if you can't find it in the emails dashboard, you can go ahead and check your junk or spam. Also, you can check it on your bank statement. Okay, also in here in your profile in the Skyscanner app or website, you can go ahead and click on your profile. Now go ahead and find your bookings, and here you have the list of your bookings. Just tap on a booking, then you should be able to find the travel provider or your booking partner. Okay, for example, your provider was American Airlines or maybe Qatar Airlines. You can just easily find their contact number by opening up your web browser, then find maybe Qatar Airways right here. Qatar Airways. I stand corrected. Okay, now go ahead and find phone number. Hit on enter. And here, just click on a link where they have numbers. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down. And here you'll find the contact numbers. Okay, give them a call and let them know that you would like to cancel your flight. Okay, depending on their canceling policies or refund policies, all right, it might take some time, but just be patient and listen closely to what the agent says to you. Okay, follow their instructions, and once done, your flight will be canceled. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.